And I'd like to call on Jackie, sila si Debbie, and then also si Dania to join us here on stage, please. Thank you so much once again for being here with us, and also to the parents and to our artists and to all of our relatives and friends who are here today, and also to the Aistano Metro Below. Let's give them a round of applause once again, please. Right? So I'd like to give this certificate of recognition for joining season 127 here in the Aistano Metro Below on February 25, 2024. Let's give a round of applause to the Arab Hige. Pictures time. Joining here, please. Another certificate given to Yvonne Bahin Big. A round of applause, please. Next to pictures of my kaula, picture. Yeah. Certificate of recognition given to Ashley J. Barbaro. Ashley, picture. To Zia. Picture. Thank you very much. Next to Jaden Levi, a round of applause, please. Next to Siri Padilla. Next to Patience Saladillo. Susan de la Cerda. To Hannah Rose Kilibar. To John Michael Velas. To Ma'am Bala. To Linar Culiacao. Next to our adult students, let's give a round of applause to Jomar Aquila. Or Joanne, a round of applause please. To Jacqueline Maniaca. Next to Debbie Grison Madrid. And to Sir John Consuhi. And to Sir John, ready to become? Peruvian din siya. Okay, kung na galing na kasi pamati ko niya, lagi man ang accent sa Tagalog. Okay, di siya Tagalog. Di siya Bisaya. Espanyol siya. Tama ba yun? Ay, is that right? Peruvian siya, Espanyol. Your Spanish ang iyang kaya English daw sa English. Pero kasabot na siya Bisaya, ay itudoan na naman siya. Ito pa yung nagtudo rin mo. Okay, katawa na kayo kasabot. Diba? So, I'd like you to greet them in your own language. Naghanda nga, marami yan. Marami, sige. Okay, Spanish. Make your voice louder.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo están, Miss? How are you? ¿Kamusta ka? Okay, I'm invited to be here sa MMBAA performing. Maraming salamat po ako today for making the best of me.
What is your experience here sa MMPA? Before, si Danya, di maulaw din siya. She's very shy and doesn't want to speak out or sing in front of people. And then she keeps joining here, studying, and then she saw her classmates participating here. She said, I'm gonna perform next. Oh, di ba siya nag-iwan? What made you decide that you want to do that in Bisaya?
Actually, it's kasi naganahan ko Filipino culture. So the thing that I like the most about you guys in general is the love para sa singing. So that's why I came here all the way from Peru just to be here and just to enjoy the Filipino culture along with the karaoke.
Wow, sa kailan tao galing? Ano mo gusto mong question? Tatlo na po siya. But thank you so much, Diane, for choosing MMP, and thank you for being with us here in the Philippines. Give her a round of applause, please. Thank you so much. Right. And this is going to be our last performance for today. Thank you so much. Hit it with which words?